Thank you for watching Syrian Eats. Today our recipe is a Belgian waffle. Belgian waffles are such a classic weekend breakfast loved by all. This simple waffle recipe is all mixed together all in one bowl, and then the batter is placed in your waffle maker. Let's get started. I'm going to start out by adding my dry ingredients first. I'm adding 2 1/4 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, and then I'm adding 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix it all together and create a little hole in the middle to add your wet ingredients. Add 1 3/4 cup of whole milk. Add 2 large eggs. Add 1/4 cup of melted butter. And finally add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix it all together until well combined. And this is the consistency that you want your batter to be. Preheat your waffle maker and add 1/2 to 3/4 cup of batter. Depends on how big your waffle maker is. Make sure to brush some butter or some cooking spray on it so it won't stick. If you have a green indicator light, it means your waffle is ready, or until the steam stops coming out. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this simple and easy recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe, like my page on Facebook, and follow me on Instagram.